Go ahead.
A turkey is a funny bird. His head goes wobble wobble. But if you get too close to him, he'll gobble gobble gobble.
Okay, sing the other one.
The turkey ran away before Thanksgiving Day. They said they make roasting. I said stay. Now the last one, Mom.
Okay, go ahead.
The pumpkin ran away for Thanksgiving Day. They said they make a pie of me if I slide this way.
That's very nice. Did you learn those in school today?
Yeah.
Did you have a party today?
Yep.
What did you do at the party?
Eat.
What'd you eat?
Turkey.
Was it good?
And pumpkin pie.
Oh, yum.
And apple juice. And orange juice. And brownie. And one more thing. Chicken.
Chicken. Was it maybe turkey?
Mm-hmm.
Turkey? Yum, yum. Okay. Say bye.
Bye.